Welcome back to Hundreds of Tools. Whilst it's easy to overthink and get lost in all the different cold weather workwear items, we're here to help you find the best out there for you. Today we will take a look at 10 different work clothes to wear in cold weather. All the links for the products we mention are in the description below. Workwear could be defined as heavy-duty clothes for physical or manual work, but it's much more. Other features are important to consider, particularly in cold, even zero temperatures, as it is protective, comfortable, fits well, functional and does not fall apart after a few weeks of wear. The work clothes in this video are for men or women that are suitable for a professional look in a wide range of workplaces and workshops, even in extreme weather conditions. Plus we have included 3 extra accessories that we think you may want to consider. Before we begin, be sure to like the video and subscribe to stay up to date with the best tools coming out. Remember, you can find the list of products in the description down below, as well as timestamps to help you navigate through the video. RefrigiWear Iron-Tuff Insulated Coveralls. The RefrigiWear insulated coverall traps in heat in extreme weather conditions down to -50 Fahrenheit for both men and women. Its water repellent and wind-tight material keeps out cold drafts with tough knit cuffs, elastic back band and soft fleece hood. It's durable and easy to wear, with a tear and abrasion resistant outer shell, heel reinforcement patches and brass rivets on the stress points. Arctix Men's Essential Insulated Bib Overalls. These are lightweight, low bulk flexibility with 85 grams of Thermatech breathable insulation which keeps you warm from -20 to +35 all day long. Comfort adjustable suspenders and elasticized side gussets for maximum motion and perfect fits. The boot zips and grippers mean that Arctix bib overall is easy to take off, keeping warmth in and moisture out, whether outdoors or in the garage. Arctix Women's Essential Insulated Bib Overalls. 85 grams Thermatech nylon, which is lightweight, windproof and waterproof to keep you warm all day. These Arctix bib overalls have adjustable waist for comfort and zipped hand warmer pockets. The reinforced and ankle hems plus zips make it easy to put on or off, whether outdoors or in the workshop. Next up is the DEVOPS Thermal Long Sleeve Compression Shirt. This is ultra soft fleece lined fabric made from 90% polyester and 10% spandex, available in 8 colours that generate heat to keep you warm whilst being soft and comfortable. The shirt is flexible and ergonomic as its 4-way extra stretch gives you elasticity, durability and maximum mobility. The heat retention of the DEVOPS shirt converts moisture to heat to increase warmth and blood flow, great for unheated indoor workshops or outdoor activities. Thermajohn Thermal Underwear Long Johns Set. Moisture wicking properties will keep you warm, dry and protected from cold weather by absorbing moisture and wick sweat away. The Thermajohn Long John set is made from flexible and stretchable fabric, allowing for full body movement. Plus there's a convenient fly. Polyspandex fabric in 7 colours is soft against the skin, so no bulking or bunching up. Carhartt Rutland Thermal Sweatshirt Hoodie. Thermal lined, so great when the temperatures drop, and rain defender water repellent finish. Hard wearing construction is 50% cotton and 50% polyester fleece plus 100% polyester thermal lining. The Carhartt hoodie comes in 4 colours and is designed for comfort with 2 hand warmer pockets, stretchy cuffs and waistband plus long brass zipper. Ergodyne Glowear 8384 High Visibility Winter Jacket. 300D Oxford outer shell and PU coating in 2 colours resists wind and water to keep you dry, including reflective materials. 160 gram thermal quilted insulated body sleeves for extra warmth without bulk, plus waist cord keeps out the cold and also features an inset hood. The Ergodyne Glowear 8384 has black front panels that hide dirt and grime, a cell phone and front pockets, plus a tab for radios. AOYOG Thicken Winter Fleece Lined Cargo Pants. Windproof work pants that are fleece lined to keep you warm in cold weather. Multiple pockets are very convenient for carrying your cell phone, tools or keys, plus the zip fly has a button closure. This fleece comes in 15 colours and is a high quality style in a regular comfortable fit. Carhartt Waterproof Insulated Glove. Insulated work gloves so when the temperature drops you can keep working longer with accuracy and dexterity. Made from premium synthetic leather, designed to be breathable, durable and comfortable with a reinforced polyurethane palm. The Carhartt waterproof gloves have a fast dry technology lining which wicks away any sweat and an adjustable hook and loop closure. G-Hill Insulated Boot Thermal Socks. For extreme cold weather in 3 sizes, small, medium and large, these unisex socks, made from insulating thermal yarn that traps heat to keep your feet warm, with 2 pairs per pack. Heavily brushed fleece lining is itch-free, soft and comfortable, even absorbing sweat to keep your feet warm and dry. The G-Hill thermal socks are perfect for outdoor activities. The cushioned footbed means comfort even after long hours on your feet, plus the ribbed sides means they won't slip down. EverPlus Bluetooth Beanie. 5.0 Bluetooth Beanie means better sound quality, more stable connection and long battery life. A 2-hour charge means you can enjoy 10 to 12 hours of music. Wireless earphones mean you can listen to your favourite music without bulky headphones, plus a built-in microphone means you can make hands-free calls. The ultra-thick dual-layer beanie keeps you warm and is windproof as it's made from 50% merino wool and one size fits all. That's it, the range of workwear which our team at Hundreds of Tools thought covered a wide range of applications. If you have any helpful cold weather workwear tips, do drop it in the comment section below. If you thought this video helped, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our videos. We look forward to seeing you again soon. Good luck.